everyone. I wanted to come on really quickly and let you all know that the company called Hobium is going out of business. You see right here, it says going out with a bang. They're doing a 40% off on all their products as a thank you to everyone. And it says it's going to be valid from 10 to the 13th of November. So if you're interested in getting any of their yarn or any of their products, it says that they're sorry to inform us that they will cease operations starting Wednesday the 13th. And it says thank you all for your love and support and giving them many years of service. And I think they did start in 2014, if I'm not mistaken. This company right here, if you're not familiar with them, they are based in Turkey. They are overseas. They will do 2-day shipping. And I believe if you purchase any of their products, if you do $30, you get a free bag and you might potentially get free shipping, depending